Hello guys, I'm back. My name is Jeferson Costa and I teach students, graduates and engineers how to work with chemical process engineering and plant design. And today I am here to share with you my point of view about what is a chemical process engineer in plant design. If you are not sure what it is, let me share my comments. And why I'm doing that? I'm doing that because these days in my job in a company, in an energy company, the guy from business just asked me my client or my future client has a stream and what we can do with this stream. So I work with in the engineering department. He works in the business, and it seems that he do not really understand what is chemical process engineering and plant design, and it is what I really do in the company. So based on that, I want to share with you some comments. So first thing first, talking about chemical process engineering in plant design, in my point of view, what it is. You have the product specification, we have the raw material conditions, and based on the raw material conditions and product specification, we, the chemical process engineer, must know what are the routes available for the production. What are the technologies available for doing the production or to reach the product specification. Let's use some examples. If we are talking about oxygen production, there are cryogenic technologies for oxygen production and there are adsorbent technologies for oxygen production. So based on the product specification, we are able to select what is the best technology for achieving the O2 production, considering that we are using air, atmosphere air as a raw material. Another example is the biogas purification. So I need to produce biomethane. I have different technologies to achieve that. I have adsorbent, I have absorption, I have membrane, I have cryogenics. So I need the biomethane, so it is my biomethane is based on my product specification, and I have the raw material available, that is the biogas, and depending on the characteristics of the biogas, I will be able to use one technology or another or a combination of technologies. So just to remind you and just to emphasize you, the chemical process engineer is the guy responsible to linking the product specification with the raw material available. But the customer has a CO2 production, and what he or she or the company can do for that? It is a role, it is a responsibility of the application engineer to verify what kind of use can be done with the products. To do my job, to do my job in the best way, the business or the customer or the stakeholder must tell us what they really want, or what is the scope of the project. It's not for another reason that the project has scope, schedule, and cost. Because based on the scope, schedule, and cost, we do plan design, we do process design, and after that, we do plan design. Without the scope, we are not able to do our jobs as a chemical process engineer working in plan design. Now, if you are a chemical process engineer that works with research and development, for instance, you will get a problem. What can be done with CO2, for instance? Could be biogas, could be any other product, let's say this way. So based on that, the research and development department will do research, will do studies to verify what are the available applications. If there is no available application, create a way to use those products or how to apply those products. So this is not plan design. Plan design is link product with raw material and choose the technology and process equipment, do the selection, sizing, evaluation, design of equipment. So this is the core business of a chemical process engineer. But most often people thinks that we are magicians, we are witches, we do magic. So chemical process engineering, plant design is not magic. What we do is use the thermodynamic principles, chemical process engineering principles to evaluate the best way to get the product specification based on the raw material available. So based on that, what are your what kind of situation you get involved with where people think that you are a magician and you can solve everything related to chemistry. And remember, just to finish this video, a chemical process engineer or a chemical engineer is not a chemistry. We deal with totally different things. So what do you think about it? Get your comments in the available for us to discuss about this subject. This is it, guys. I hope you like it, and I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye.